Imagine showing up at the job site, opening your trailer, and realizing your drills, saws, and plumbing gear are gone. Tool theft happens every day, and without insurance, you're stuck paying out of pocket. That's why Next Tools and Equipment Insurance is such a lifesaver. It covers your essential gear if it's stolen from your work truck, trailer, or job site. Your tools aren't cheap. Replacing a full set of power tools, saws, or plumbing equipment could cost thousands. But with Next, that financial hit doesn't have to land on you. It doesn't just stop at theft. Next helps when your equipment is lost, borrowed, or damaged during work. If a borrowed saw goes missing on a shared project, or if your gear is vandalized, you're still protected. Instead of waiting weeks for reimbursement, Next claims process is simple and online. That means you can get back to work faster with the tools you need in hand. Don't wait for theft to stop your business cold. Protect your gear today with Next Tools and Equipment Insurance. Get your quote now through the link in the description.